Good day, guys. You wonder why how I was able to get this amazing trade, guys. This was one of the best trades that we caught today. Just want to check my history, so it doesn't allow me to check my history here when I'm on this site. But today I only traded USD CAD as one of the best setup that showed my setup. Remember, I trade according to setup and time. So early in the morning we didn't get amazing setup, as you can see. Just want to verify very well with you. Okay, early in the morning we didn't get a good setup. This is what happened in the morning. It was around in the morning. This is what we had. Then the market moved. We hoped for the market to give us a beautiful divergence. The market didn't break, but it gave us an equal resistance here. So we can still go for equal resistance, but they are not 100%, because sometimes we can enter somewhere here and think that maybe the market will continue going down. You find out only the market has to break a little bit going up to come back down. So we can't, when we enter a trade, we enter with full margin. So we can't be able to handle what will happen here. So, but anyway, if we use risk management, we know that if we have our previous high and the higher high and it's equal like this, it will be around 9. When this happened, it will be around 9, actually around 9. So this happened around 9 o'clock. Then the market went like this. Then we were forced to just leave Asian session. So the Asian session, this is what happened in the Asian session. The market moved before the market opening. The market moved. We were hoping to find the market at least at the upper level, but we couldn't. Then the market, we had to wait up until it touches the higher resistance, then come back. Then we hoped for, as I said, resistance to be broke going up. It didn't. Then it was a level up. Then we just studied the nature of what is happening. Then we did what we just said. We will wait to see what will be happening on the New York session. So on the New York session, it gave us a very good lower low. As you can see, this is a lower low. Then it came back and gave us a lower high, a beautiful lower high here. Then it was on the rejection side. Then we had to do what? We had to take it from here and move with it up. Then we caught a very beautiful buy here. Then we went with it up. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what we were able to kill to make money from in the market. So make sure that you use our strategy. Let me show you the result for this trade. This is what happened for today only. We were able to make $336, which was very beautiful. This is how it moved. So yeah, make sure that you use our strategies. If you want this mobile strategy, make sure that you inbox me on the number that you see on my description, so that you get the strategy and you start making money in the market. Thank you.